have to have your customers find you. They have to trust you. They have to be able to buy the thing you're selling, and then you have to be able to deliver it to them.
You know, it's more than just omni-channel. It's more than e-commerce. It's really about a state in the future where data flows so freely, and we're talking like census level data that allows us to figure out what you really want and how to get it to you.
The quality of the data directly impacts every decision that we can make along that entire cycle.
A lot of the issues that you find in e-commerce are actually not e-commerce issues, they're data issues.
Because of the way the company screw up, they went and got an ERP system. They sort of buy, sell, and move things, and then they realized that they needed a POS system. Then they realized they needed a warehousing system, and so they're adding all of these systems, creating silos.
And a lot of the challenges our customers have today is they've got these legacy systems, they've got technical debt.
It's that kind of thing that's kind of built up over time that really makes it difficult to have a really clear picture of your suppliers, your customers, your products. Brand owners need the data, not necessarily more technology.
At the end of the day, if you've got the right profile and profile attributes of your customers, and you're able to link these things, what are their preferences? What have they bought before? What have they returned before? Like, if you know all of that, you're going to be better able to cater to their needs.
If we don't have great data available at the point of purchase, in the back end, in the warehouse management system, then we don't know which carrier can actually take this item, how big the box needs to be, which carrier service we should use, if it's even safe to ship that item to the customer. So it impacts every single point of what we do.
We help our brand owners understand their data landscape. We help them with the taxonomies, the governance, rules and policies, and then help them leverage the technology in a smart and efficient way, deliver on their brand promise of find, trust, buy, get. What we focus on the composable part is we say, don't get rid of your 3-letter ERP system. You're fine, but come in at the point where you really have the pain, and let us drop in a component that will solve that problem. The nice thing is that when the data's all there, you're not going through the data migration, integration work, all this sort of thing. It's there, it's ready to serve, and now you can just drop it in whatever components you want. It's faster time to market, it's less upfront investment. A lot of the things are being done as a service. You can bite off a little bit, do it, learn, and then take the next piece.
Really what we're trying to create is data as a currency. How do we help automate your data pipeline, which allows you to ingest that data, push it to wherever it needs to get to and consume it? And frankly, in the long term, we believe we're going to get to that state where you're not moving data from one structured application to another structured application. With the help of machine learning and AI, I mean, you're going to be dealing with much larger, unstructured data sets and turning them into currency a lot faster. And I think many of our customers and partners don't realize this isn't just about, a pretty front end. It's all that hard work in the supply chain, the data in behind. There's some folks that are making huge inroads, and it's going to be hard to catch them. And part of our job is to make sure that playing field stays level, so the brands that we love are still a choice a decade from now.